Hello. In this video, we will see how rotary wing drones can perform flights both manually and autonomously. In the later stages of the video, we will first see the drone's autonomous takeoff, followed by manual flight, and finally, its autonomous landing. We will see how these stages are carried out. And finally, its autonomous landing, and we will have seen how these stages are carried out. Rotary wing unmanned aerial vehicles can be specifically designed for manual and autonomous use depending on their purpose. During manual operation, the user has full control of the vehicle. The user performs all manual control through the remote. During autonomous operation, the flight occurs without the user needing to send any commands through the remote. Now we can move on to the flight stages. First, we will start with the drone's autonomous flight. In the first stage, we will perform an autonomous takeoff. To do this, we need to arm our drone using the remote control. To arm, we hold the left throttle stick down towards the right inner corner for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, our drone's propellers will start spinning at a low RPM. This means it has been armed. Then we activate the autonomous mode button that we had previously set. And when we bring our throttle to 50%, the parameters we set before the autonomous takeoff are also being met. As you can see, when the drone reaches 50% throttle, it maintains a stable position in the air. Now, by switching to manual mode, we can perform our flight in the way we want manually. As you can see here, left-right maneuvers and forward-backward maneuvers are being performed. When we talk about the use of the drone, we have two separate systems on the left and right sides. Our left system is the throttle of the drone, which we refer to as the gas pedal or gas stick, and it allows the drone to ascend and descend through its forward and backward movement. When we turn the same stick to the right and left, it allows the drone to perform yaw movements, meaning it can rotate to the right and left around its own axis. To perform movements of the drone on the other two axes, we use the stick on the right side of the remote. Pushing the right stick moves the drone on the horizontal axis. Pulling it tilts the drone. The right stick also controls other axes. When we pull it to the right and left, the drone completes its maneuver by tilting to the right and left on the horizontal axis. To perform movements of our drone on the other two axes, we use the right stick on the remote. When we move the right stick forward and backward, our drone performs a pitch movement on the pitch axis. So, we perform the forward and backward movement on the horizontal axis by moving the right stick forward and backward. Similarly, when we tilt our right system to the right and left, our drone performs a roll movement on what we call the roll axis. The yaw movement shows the drone's motion to the right or left on the horizontal axis. The most important thing to pay attention to during maneuvering is to maintain a stable flight altitude. To achieve this, we need to keep the left throttle stick on our remote constantly under control. We can change the flight modes of our drone using the switches located at the top. We need to have set these flight modes beforehand while configuring the drone. In the final stage, we are ending our flight with an autonomous landing. To perform the autonomous landing, we activate the autonomous landing mode that we had previously set on the top of our remote. After activating the switch, the human-operated vehicle autonomously performs its landing in the direction it is facing. After landing, we need to wait for the propellers to completely stop for safety reasons. Then, we bring our joystick back to its original position on the remote to design our situation.